Hey, how's it going? So when we let off before, we had these hiragana here and katakana here. So these are the sounds, obviously. This is the manifest, and it says what each of the different items is. So that's good. Let me see if I can copy this whole path. So just copy path reference. Will that work? From absolute path. Oh, there's a shortcut. I don't do it often enough to need that. Okay, so yeah, don't panic. The rule is if something's called scratched up PY, I can delete anything. So path equals that. So this is going to be the katakana absolute path, and then hiragana path's going to be like this. It's just going to be hiragana. Alright, so with open. Oh, that works. Encoding equals UTF-8. Then say, I don't know. Okay, that works. Yeah, sure. Whatever. KAPA, HIPA. Yeah. So, yeah, we got, let's see here. So we got Japanese, type, display, English, qualifier, good for flashcards, script. See what's missing here? What's missing is the freaking index. We need an index. So yeah. Let's get up a ChatGPT instance here. I have a JSON array of objects. The objects look like this. I want to add an index, numerical value. That means if this number is lower, do it first. I will just assign it the index in the array, 0 base, and then the array. Then the array can be adjusted later, I guess. What is standard naming? Order index. You know what? I was going to use index. I should just use index. So, okay. Best general purpose, most common. Fields tied to array position might be confusing. Order position priority. You know what? I kind of like priority. Oh, no, that's not what I want. I got too many damn windows open. Okay, so assert priority not in this is only supposed to be used once. Yes, okay. And then we will say for I in range length. Yes. KA JSON of I priority equals I. And this will be HI JSON. And yeah. Right. JSON dot dump object first, then file at your ASCII faults indent for. This is exactly what I wanted it to do. So, okay. Check this code before I run it. Mostly solid. Your cert only checks the first element. I know, that was the damn point. Empty array crash risk. It's fine as long as it doesn't execute. More Pythonic looping. Oh, go to hell. Trailing new line. No. Wow. This is some shit advice. Holy crap. Okay. Run. All right. Okay, priority 0, 1, 2. Note that I have added priority to the manifest.json files. Please update the corresponding .md files. And while this is running, load git bash. I really should pin this. Oh, it's not recording. You can't see what I'm doing because the recording cuts off above the start bar. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It's just amusing to me. So change directory, not D, not C. D code. What is it? Kana core app. Git status. Keep all. IDE error occurred. I know that this is based on the code for PyCharm, but I wouldn't have thought that they would have copied that specific error. Okay, so assets, curriculum, katakana. Wait, are you saying that I haven't merged any of this yet? Interesting. Well, whatever. It's not how this is supposed to work. Oh! That warning is supposed to be disabled. This warning is supposed to be disabled. What do I type in git bash to make it shut up? Git commit. Git commit what? Add priority to manifest. All right, everything is good, and now we paste that. If you all want to stop Git from converting, I just don't care. Like, it's almost hard to wait. Isn't that what I is that what I run? Yeah. Okay. They're just so similar. I thought that they were the same. Yeah. The extent to which I don't care is almost incomprehensible. So let's come back here. Yeah. So for item in ka.json plus hi.json. All kana equals set. Well, I can just do it like this. Item JP and print all kana like that. What is that? Like 208. Yep. Okay, cool. There's a few special edge case katakana that are not in there. Whatever. I'm not too worried about that. The student will just have to deal with it when it comes up. All right. So we should have an exact one-to-one matching of active cards. My directory equals active cards. Okay. All right, so ran it. Here is my code now. Please write code which does the following. You are going to split active cards, the MP3s and the manifest, into two directories based on if it is katakana or hiragana. I already have hiragana and katakana directories, so it will need to be hiragana words and katakana words. For each item JP, there is a corresponding item JP dot MP3 in the same folder. I would like to copy instead of move, so it is non-destructive, but the manifest will need to be rebuilt for the two folders filtered and the priority key added. All right, let's see what that does. I don't think it would be particularly hard to write, but I think it can power through here. Active cards. Active cards directory manifest.json. Okay, exists in both hiragana and katakana source manifests. I don't think that's going to happen, but I'm fine. Well, yeah, I mean, it doesn't know what it's looking at, so that's understandable. Is it, though? Well, yeah, it's a naive JSON dictionary of objects. It's not like a Python dictionary with unique keys. Touché. All right. Okay, I think that this should work pretty much out of the box. Okay, no such file or directory. Active cards manifest.json. Oh, I did it again. Well, manifest.json. Work now. No, I alternated back and forth, and I think I got myself confused. Hiragana items written, katakana items written. Hiragana, katakana source manifests. Okay, clearly there was some kind of miscommunication. Okay, open in Explorer. There are 1,070 MP3 files in active cards. And each of them paired perfectly with an entry in manifest.json. Every one of them has a tag. Every one of them has a tag script. Which is either hiragana or katakana. If it is hiragana, then this entry should make it into a new manifest for hiragana cards, and the corresponding MP3 file should be copied. On the other hand, if it is katakana, then a similar process happens, but there is a different target, directory, and manifest file. When the process is done, the number of MP3 files in the two directories together should match the number of MP3s in the original folder. Very, very roughly split in half between the two. There will be two new manifest files, each with the same number of rows as the number of copied files in perfect parity. Fix the fucking script. I rambled a little bit longer than I needed to. Okay. All right. Okay. God, I'm tired. I'm so tired I can like barely function. Or maybe I can't function. Alright. it was done, right? Hiragana, katakana. Parity check pass. Copied file count matches original MP3 count. Yay! Alright. Now we need to get clever, though. We need to count the number of kana used in each word and make sure all of the kana are represented. This should probably go into a new field inside of the new manifest.json files. We will no longer touch active cards. Okay. If kana were an exact one-to-one mapping, this would be easy. But with two-letter kana, I'm not certain how to do it. You have an idea? The clean way is to treat this as tokenizing each word kana into units and then storing the result in each manifest entry. The key question is what you count the number of kana used to mean. There are two sensible definitions. That's easy, but probably not what you want for curriculum coverage. It's usually the better choice because it matches how kana are taught. Exact units used in a word, how to handle two-letter kana. The usual rule is if a kana is followed by a small, optionally also handle small vowels if you have loan words. Kana units. Unique kana units. Okay. All right. Unique kana units. Ah, crap. We're not even close to the 104 I was expecting. "67 hiragana units. That means that your active card words simply do not contain all expected kana. In particular, they seem to contain almost no contracted sounds, rare kana, small. Also, your current splitter only combines with small kana if the small kana actually occur in the word list. Your printed inventory shows they basically didn't. The next step, you need to compare expected kana inventory Gojon base kana kind of inventory can easily land around 100 depending on what you include. Your word list is not guaranteed to hit all of them. Use your curriculum manifest as the source of truth for the expected inventory. He's likely to find the exact kana set you care about. Then compare each word manifest against that set. No, I think it's fine. If they're not there, they're not there. Okay. Okay, katakana words, kana units, and hiragana words. Kana units. Okay, so hiragana and katakana. Holy crap, I might need to go to sleep. I don't know why I'm this tired. I pasted. Paste. Oh my god. Do I have to do it one at a time? Apparently. Alright. Note that I have added hiragana words and katakana words. Please add these to the lessons and update the schema so that the new fields are allowed to be there. The new fields are kana count and kana units. Note that these do not appear in the lower levels. Whatever, I don't care, just let it do it. Hey! That entered in a new line, it meant do the work. Now fully registered and documented with new vocabulary fields. Super. Get status. Get add. Oh man, I wanted to do like a simulation to figure out the ordering of the kana words, but I think I actually need to go to bed. So okay, add hiragana and katakana. I almost said get push origin. Yeah, that ain't gonna work, Luke. There is no origin. Okay, I'm about to collapse, so I guess I will talk to you later.